joining Jeff and Jenny's Classic Restorations. Jenny's not about at the moment because I've been doing a bit of work and she's gone inside. She gets a bit scared. But just a short video today. It's just an update. Two things just to quickly show you how we're getting on with the new shed, or so-called mini moped museum. And also I've got another project now for the winter once I get this sorted out, and I'll show you that as well. So I'll just quickly show you how we're getting on with this mini moped museum, and then I'll show you the new project. Right, there we go, inside the mini moped museum shed. I've got all four in here at the moment. I'm still working, so I obviously have to take them out when I work in here. I've got all the light switch sorted out here. There's a few other things I need to do. Gone round, my son was supposed to help me, but I've ended up doing it with this like edging around here, which I'll be painting white probably. And then some of these joists and all that I'll probably paint up as well. I won't bother doing the ceiling with anything. So that's how that's coming on at the moment. Now I'll show you the new project. Right, in the old shed, which is kind of like a workshop now with all those bikes gone, the Royal Alloy now is parked over here. As you know, I've got the ramp. I'm probably going to move that out a bit, doing a little bit of tidying up in here at the moment. So I'll show you the new project, which is over here. Picked it up yesterday. It's a Piaggio Ciao Vespa, some of them are called Vespa moped, it says there. I've ordered a Haynes manual. I know very little about these ones. It's not bad at all, really. You know, there's this surface rust here and there. So I'll probably, what I will do, I will strip it down and repaint all these panels. I'm not even sure what colour it is. I've got to find out. It's kind of an orangey red, really. Lots of little bits and pieces. Some of these things can be powder coated. The chrome is not too bad. They can all have a good polish. So yeah, the lights work as well. The chrome on here is not too bad. A little bit pitted further down. So yeah, so this is the winter project. And it does start, so I'll just, before this aircraft comes, I'll get it set up and I'll show you it working. Well, before we start it, it's a I forgot to mention, it's a 1974. It's not registered, so, but I think it's going to be a lot easier registering it than it will be for the, like the, if I can register a Velo Solix, I'm sure I can register this, but it's already been registered here anyway. It's got SC on there. I didn't know what that means, but I think it means super comfort, I think, because it's got well, it's got a bag hook, which I've been learning about, and also it's got front suspension. So as I mentioned, we're going to get it started, hopefully. I did have a go earlier on this morning. It may not need the choke, but if you want the choke, it's down on there, and then you turn the throttle, it clicks off again. Fuel tap, well, we put that on. So I'm going to try it without the choke first of all. You've got a decompression lever here. Everything else seems to work, brakes work and everything. So let's just give this a try. It may not start, might have to give it choke. Let's just bring it round, just pedal around a minute. Right. So lights work. Stop it with the decompression lever. Right, it actually sounds fine, that engine. So I'm hoping to get a way of taking it out, cleaning it all up, painting the black and what have you on it, and then get this all sanded back, the red, and get that painted. I've got to tax this. Last time it was on the road, 1979. It's in 1974, so it was used for 5 years, and then stored ever since. So that's why it's not too bad condition, just standing in the garage somewhere. So yeah, so that's just a little bit of the update for today. I am getting on doing things. I'm tidying up the big shed at the moment. We can get this up on the ramp, and later on, just got to finish off the other shed museum thing. So yeah, so call it a day for today. Right, well, that's it. That's all I can show you for the moment. I'm just plodding on, getting the workshop, as it's going to be now, cleared and tidied a bit, I can get this chow onto the ramp as well. As you can see, the royal alloy fits in there nicely, and the other 4 go into over there quite nicely. So it's just a bit of an update this week, nothing much going on, just to show I'm still here plodding on. You take care, see you soon, bye bye.